If you're looking for a Defender 110, you want the engine, you want something relatively new, you want the colour and you want the exterior styling, then this for me is a near perfect example. It's a D350 X-Dynamic HSE 2026 Defender 110. Now it's done 6,000 miles. It looks absolutely wonderful, this car. And in Borasco Grey, the new colour, the new model for the car, it's had the exterior styling to make it, like I say, a near perfect example. That's still seen in the LED front light bar, the lower LED spotlight. You've also got this lower styling to the bottom, the arch extensions, these wonderful UCZ style 22-inch alloy wheels, Mudflaps steps. Now this car is an HSE, so the spec is mega anyway, but it's got air suspension, it's got sliding sunroof. We've got Meridian surround sound stereo, full fine Nappa leather interior, the 13-inch touch screen, heated and ventilated seats, heated wheel, adaptive cruise. It is wonderful. And then it's the D350, so that's the big new diesel engine. So it drives really well. 350 brake horsepower from this 3-litre diesel car. It's 5 seats. It's got ISOFIX points across the 2 outer rear seats and on the passenger side front seat. How nice is this? The colour, of course, Borasco Grey throughout any of the ranges of the cars we sell. This colour is the one to have. Rear spoiler, we've got roof rails, we've got spare wheel cover, and of course the X-Dynamic styling giving you the underbody of the car and the side profile all in gloss black. 26 model year car giving you the new style flat lens LED lights. This is an X-Dynamic, so we've got the towing hooks left and right, boot space, folding seats, parcel shelf in place, and the air suspension switchable from the rear here. The car looks, it's just such a great vehicle. Steps as well, and then we walk around the vehicle, you'll see we've got the new style wing inserts and bonnet inserts, functional light pod on the roof, black mirrors. So that look of this car will sell it for sure. Then we've got the engine, then we've got the colour. New style front LED lights, again fog lights. We've got this lower spoiler which just finishes the front end of the car off, and the bonnet decal, new style bonnet decal. When you get the HSE car, you're getting electric seats, you're getting memory seats, you're getting switchable ambient lighting. So literally, you know, all the right features, and you get better finishes throughout. So Nappa leather center steering wheel, Nappa leather mid dash, top dash, assisted electric steering column adjustment. It's all in the little features, isn't it? Heated wheel, adaptive cruise. We've also got ventilated seats to the front and heated seats to the front, heated front and rear screens, air suspension, wireless phone charging, and then the big 13.1 inch screen with the 360 camera, surround view camera, and all the wonderful Pivi Pro features that you get from the Defender, the 4-wheel drive, the slope assist. It's a fantastic car. 2 keys, you've even got a little controller here for the pod light on the roof, which you can control in flashing mode, turn it on and off. The car's in a like new condition with 6,000 miles on a 26 plate, warranty with Land Rover until 2029. It's a very easy sale for me or one of the other guys here to sell this car. Finance available, part exchange is available. If you're interested in this car, drop me a WhatsApp or give me a call. It's Richard. Thanks for watching.